Alright, okay.
She stands up taller when she...
Dizzy. Okay.
Got that familiar from...
Oh, the little crumbs from her cookies.
Look at it jumping up and down like a bunny.
Dude, did you see Grace?
Yeah.
She's getting the crumbs from the cookies.
Yeah. Look at...
Grace isn't backing up not one step.
No.
Grace knows she's afraid, that's why. Do you see she tried biting her? Grace tried biting Daisy.
She opened her mouth at her, Sean.
Big chicken
Grace
doggy.
would leave Daisy alone if Grace.
Did
if
you
Daisy
see her?
wasn't flipping out like that.
Exactly.
Grace wouldn't pay any attention to her if she wasn't flipping out all over the place.
Wow, that's amazing. That little bird is not scared of that dog.
Not at all. She hasn't taken one step backwards.
Daisy.
She's chasing her all over the kitchen.
Daisy doesn't want to hurt her either.
Aww.
Daisy's just playing with her.
Yeah.
There's the other dog for Daisy to play with.